Good morning, good afternoon. Today's Monday, June 25th, 2018, and we're doing the morning business headline commentary. Um, Through the week, there has been much controversy about illegal immigration. Um, while you look at the numbers, which is outrageous, there's already 25 million illegals inside the US operating, doing various things, from anything working for the cartel's interests to working without paying taxes, and so forth like that. After 25 million, they seem to use the same shell game of women and children. As long as like women and children, this shell game, they would they want to allow 25 million more people to come into the country illegally. So you have something like that with already 25 million already inside the country illegally. This is like the total number of several countries combined. Um, I don't know about you. This is like a soft warfare being waged against the United States, only to the United States, not to Mexico or to any other neighboring countries, which these illegal could have seek the same help to escape their local situation, and many times which are just local criminal activities. So in this case, in similar consideration, I should be able to claim amnesty in Japan for gang activities in the Bronx. I can claim the same local crime activities that bothers me and claim amnesty to go to Japan. So in the same consideration, this absurdity or thirdness is still allowed in consideration of the U.S. amnesty. All right, with that, let's go into the headlines. So, due to the trade tensions, China is lowering the requirements for banks, freeing up liquidity to make more loans and investments. All right, Uber is trying to keep their license in operations in London, which is an important city. All right, that's a new IPO of these unusual startups from China that claim like very high valuations. In my opinion, they basically, if you give the same evaluation to me, I can give you at least three very good startups. But that's the tragedy of corruption. These startup funding, they're claiming very high valuation when they're really just like a $10 million app. That's it. So Intel is doing a little bit to keep its edge with new products and offering. When I met with several Intel people, I thought they should license risk um, from its creators so as to create better chips that save energy. Alright, so this is a direct TV push by AT&T with unusual tactics. As mentioned, China is improving liquidity into the economy. So the Volkswagen is trying hard to prepare its image by targeting Hispanics now in the World Cup in its advertising on its Volkswagen promotions. Alright, let's go to the CNBC. The whole setup over the weekend of oil pushing oil prices higher was fooling the fools. When from now on, when Saudi Arabia or Russia opens their mouth, it's the opposite. Um, so when they say they're pushing for oil production higher, and the net effect was to push oil prices higher by not doing what they do. So this is what they wanted: higher oil prices. So anything they say or running their mouths, you can't believe anything now. Hang Seng down almost 400 points at 28,000, 29,000 handle. Go at 1270. So this is a new policy of fair trade, where reciprocity, reciprocal treatment of economic terms. Saudi Arabian women are given ability to drive. A lot of news with China, North Korea. In most cases, you should probably send a lot of these illegals to Gitmo, a military base by the U.S. military, so the U.S. military can have a chance to um, get more information and get a good feel of this new soft warfare that's pushed by these illegals and the drug cartels. That's my opinion about that. A little bit harsher treatment by detaining the detainees who are illegals in Gitmo, Guantanamo Bay. All right, today's a little bit early because I have something to do. Today's Monday, January 25th, 2018. We're doing a morning business headline commentary. Something I know, I have Indian followers and Chinese business followers. When I feature Amazon, Disney, and McDonald's, after the data video, India's Modi went for a big hug on Amazon. I do understand sometimes my commentary do affect sovereign policies, and I will have more consideration when I make these initial comments, so as to not affect too much. But all in all, my commentary on illegals should be correct, because they're illegally coming in, making a fool out of legal immigrants that put in the effort and waited and applied. So these are some of my sometimes actionable commentaries. Today's an early commentary. Today's Monday, June 25th, 2018. And happy trading, everybody, and happy summertime.